Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to give you a very fast update of the new lilies flowering. This one is Oriental Hybrid Hachi and it has a virus infection. Unfortunately, Hachi is advertised with gaucho pictures on the internet, but this cultivar looks very much like Starfighter. So not nice from the people who do that, but it's part of gardening. I hope you know that. OT hybrid. The end of prime ice. You can see that green beetle over there, and it usually eats flowers. Beautiful Asiatic hybrids from Latvia. I very much like this one. Beautiful vivid colors. Amazing. This is also one of my favorites. I like this vivid brownish with orange yellow. Very good orange. This one also nice, orange yellow with brown tango spots. The longiflorums are in bloom. This is Excite. This yellowish is oh, I have to check the name. Deliana. Miss Peculiar. It's sold as a tetraploid OT, but it looks much more like a tetraploid trumpet. I think this one is Rialto. It was sold as Oriental mix, but it's an OT hybrid because it grows quite well in my soil. Or it could be Zambezi, I don't know. Serrano. This one is Corcovado. And this one is Saltarello, all OT hybrids. And this pinkish one is Difference. And it has this beautiful apricot color when it opens, but it fades very quickly under Hungarian conditions. And this is very interesting. This should be Olympic Torch, and this one has a virus in it. You can see the difference between the healthy and the sick one. Montego Bay. This yellow one is Zunlot Moon, trade name Moonlight. And this one is Eldoret, also an OT hybrid. I don't know the name. Caddy. So this one is Caddy, the double one, and it has different colors when you have different sunlight. When you have low sunlight, it turns very much red, and then it later fades to this orangish color. More trumpets are in bloom. Fredo Aloe hybrid. This one is Global Harmony. Dancing Lady. This one is called Agita. It's a trumpet hybrid. This one is Lemgo from Germany. This one is Northern Delight, the yellow one. Different Aurelian seedlings. White Heaven, quite nice. This is my cultivar, Pistachio, because it has this pistachio colored flowers. It gets a little lighter later, but it has this beautiful scent with these apple green flowers. Oh mine, these stems are too heavy and we have very high winds. Seedling of mine, I don't think I'm going to register that one. This one's nice. More Aurelian hybrids. This one is Medulianka, very nice, from Anton Mago. Look at these big papillae in the flowers. I like it very much. This one is Slovak Sapphire. It has a little virus, but it's a very nice OT hybrid with secondary buds, so good one. A little bit of White Heaven, and sometimes because Pink Perfection, Orange African Queen and Golden Splendor are seed strains, you can have very white ones or very pale pink ones. So this is Pink Perfection, but it's a very pale one. And now this is Rising Moon, at least that's what it was sold. Huge flowers. And this one is Beijing Moon. Couple of late Asiatics, very late ones. These have been planted this spring, so the flowering season might be different in the second year. Seedlings, lots of seedlings. This one's nice. More seedlings. Look at these, beautiful. I'm still not sure if I want to register them, but they look nice. King David, perfect. So that would be all today. I have to go and give water to the plants, so if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, leave a comment, and see you next time. Goodbye.